Phillips Precision Medicraft is an American manufacturer producing advanced orthopedic implants, instrumentation, and delivery systems for a global orthopedic marketplace. The Phillips success story comes from very humble beginnings. With one manual lathe and one milling machine, a young Francis Phillips produced small jobs for a former employer and a group of engineers from various industries. He quickly established a reputation for quality and problem solving, becoming a unique link between engineering ideas and actual manufacturing. Today, Phillips Precision Medicraft continues to meet the complex demands of the orthopedic industry by investing in people, lean, and 5S principles in state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment. Their operation is designed to offer orthopedic OEMs the resources and turnkey services they need to optimize supply chains, get to market faster, and bring to life innovative ideas. By maintaining a manufacturing operation designed for speed, accuracy, and quality, we're able to meet both the FDA regulatory requirements and speed-to-market needs of our OEM customers.
Our facility here, we have a more thorough DFM than most of the clients or our competition. I think the first thing that we do is we bring their products to life, not only to manufacture it and make it possible, but we can also offer up suggestions on how to make things more cost-effective based on tolerances and geometries and such. The big difference from our company to others is our engineering group has hands-on experience. There's many, many reasons why 5S and lean are an absolute necessity. If we're not lean, efficient, we can't offer the price points to our clients to remain competitive enough to even be in business. So the two most important things for us and our clients are, number one, trust, and to operate as an extension of that company. And you kind of work as this one business unit. I think what sets us apart is the real-world partnership, the knowledge that we have, the hands-on experience, the technology, the processes that we have in place. And I think the big key is the people. You can buy buildings and brick and mortar, but you know what? If you don't have the best people in the industry, that really reflects on the product that's manufactured.
Delivery Systems Packaging, Design, and Manufacturing completes our 360 degrees of service offerings. Our case and tray engineers are packaging experts. They have the creativity and engineering know-how to package implants and instruments in a way that meets customers' space, weight, cost, and regulatory requirements. Using the latest manufacturing equipment and our high-impact DCG technology, they're able to deliver products that work well and truly stand out. Phillips Precision Medicraft is proud to be an American manufacturer, fully invested in its people, in technology, and the quality of their products will continue to support the health and well-being of a global community for many years to come.